I'm Kelly with Chicago Movie Tours. This is Oliver, and we're coming to you from my back porch today, wanting to give you a few updates on what's going to be happening with Chicago Movie Tours over the next couple of weeks, since obviously we are not going to be giving any walking tours. Chicago Movie Tours was supposed to kick off in April with our first tour of Old Joliet Prison on April the 5th. As those of you who have purchased tickets for that tour already have been notified via email, that tour unfortunately has been canceled. It has been tentatively rescheduled for May the 17th, and hopefully we will be able to give that walking tour. Keep posted on our website, of course, for more information about that. In the meantime, we are still going to kick off Chicago Movie Tours at the beginning of April. So next Wednesday, we plan to do something called Walking Tour Wednesday, where I will be in a location in Chicago, or more specifically, probably in the Chicago suburbs, that is related to Chicago and movies in some way, and give you a little bit of information about the location or the building institution that is being focused on. So that will be Wednesday. Thursday, we will participate with the rest of social media in Throwback Thursday. Friday, we are going to attempt something called Friday Focus, in which we will focus on one aspect of a tour, one frequently asked question, one person or business that is related to Chicago and movies, and highlight them in some way. So we will focus on something of that nature on Fridays. And then on Mondays, we will again participate with the rest of social media with hashtag Monday Motivation. But more specifically, we will hopefully motivate you to engage with us on social media and give away some free tickets to some of our upcoming tours for the rest of the year. And then finally on Tuesday, we will have Trivia Tuesday, in which we will pose 3 questions, one easy, one moderate, and one difficult, all of which will relate to Chicago and film in some ways. So hopefully during this time that we are all at home, gathering together with one another and not able to go on walking tours, we'll still be able to discover Chicago through film. So until I can see you in person, I hope to see you next April 1st for Walking Tour Wednesday. Oliver, say bye. Thanks.